A few questions again. Show in triangle ABC that B cos C plus theta, C cos B minus theta is equal to A cos theta, where theta can be any angle. We shall see what actually it means. Second question, third question, fourth question, we shall see again. I am solving the questions. Please see the first bit now. Left hand side. B cos C plus theta plus C cos B minus theta. B cos C plus theta plus C cos B minus theta. This is cos A plus B. I am opening cos A plus B. Please concentrate. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B, that is cos C cos theta minus sin C sin theta. Please understand. The formula for cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Accordingly, cos C cos theta minus sin C sin theta. Similarly, cos A minus B is cos B cos theta plus sin B sin theta. Proceeding. B cos C, opening the bracket, cos theta minus B sin C sin theta, C cos B cos theta plus C sin B sin theta. Opening the bracket, C once again, B cos C cos theta minus B sin C sin theta, C cos B cos theta plus C sin B sin theta. Let sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C is equal to K. Therefore, sin A is equal to AK, sin B is equal to BK, and sin C is equal to CK. I am going to use all these here. B cos C cos theta as it is, B sin C I am writing CK, I am here B cos C cos theta, B sin C sin theta is CK sin theta plus C cos B cos theta plus C, this is BK sin theta. Understand once again, this is open, B cos C cos theta minus B sin C sin theta, C cos B cos theta plus C sin B sin theta. Now I have supposed sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C is equal to K as usual. Sin A is AK, sin B is BK, sin C is CK. Sin A is AK, sin B is BK, sin C is CK. I am writing B cos C cos theta as it is. B sin C is written as CK. C cos B cos theta as it is. C sin B is written as BK. Let us rearrange now. First term and third term I am combining. Please see. B cos C cos theta plus C cos B cos theta. The first and third terms are written together in a rearrangement. The remaining terms are BCK sin theta plus BCK sin theta. BCK sin theta plus BCK sin theta. In these two terms, cos theta is common. B cos C plus C cos B, cos theta being common, and those two terms cancel each other, being positive and negative same terms. And B cos C plus C cos B, there is a projection formula A cos theta. This is your right hand side proved. Please see the second bit now. Left hand side is B square sin 2C plus c square sin 2b. B square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b, left hand side, b square sin 2 theta, there is a formula 2 sin c cos c. C square sin 2b, same formula 2 sin b cos b. I am proceeding as usual. Sin a by a is equal to sin b by b is equal to sin c by c is equal to k. Therefore, sin a becomes ak, sin b becomes bk, and sin c becomes ck. So, we will substitute here b square to ck I will write. Cos c. C square 2 sin b to bk I will write. Cos b. Check up here once again. B square 2 sin c I am writing 2 ck cos c. C square 2 sin b I am writing 2 bk cos b. Let us write more properly. 2b square ck cos c plus 2bc square k cos b. Same thing here, 2b square ck cos c, 2c square bk cos b. In these two, 2bck is common. Understand? 2bck is common. So, what is left out here? b cos c plus c cos b. See very clearly, 2b square ck cos c, 2bc square cos b. So, 2bck is common, b cos c plus c cos b, and this is a. May I rearrange 2bc ak, or shall we say 2bc sin a? This is your right hand side. Solving the third bit, please see. B sin square c by 2 plus c sin square b by 2. Before proceeding to solve this question, I am showing you one formula of multiple angles. Please see here and remember always, sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Multiple submultiple angles formulae, sin square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Accordingly, sin square theta by 2 will become 1 minus cos theta by 2. Sin square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, sin square theta by 2 1 minus cos theta by 2, and cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Therefore, cos square theta by 2 will similarly become 1 plus cos theta by 2. These are important formulae from multiple submultiple angles. We shall solve using this formulae here. Future also we shall be using this formulae. I am proceeding. Sin square c by 2, look at this, 1 minus cos c by 2. Sin square b by 2, same formula, 1 minus cos b by 2. Understand the work. B sin square c by 2, 1 minus cos c by 2. C sin square b by 2 is 1 minus cos b by 2. I am taking 1 by 2 common and opening all the brackets, b minus b cos c, c minus c cos b. b minus b cos c, c minus c cos b, 1 by 2 common. Rearranging b plus c minus b cos c minus c cos b. Please see the rearrangement. Same terms are rearranged. B plus c minus, here minus sign common, b cos c plus c cos b. Minus sign common, b cos c plus c cos b. And this is A. B cos c plus c cos b is A. And you have learned in the beginning of this chapter, b plus c minus A is 2 times s minus A. B plus c minus A is 2 times s minus A. So this will give you only s minus A, that is your right hand side. B plus c minus common, b cos c plus c cos b, which is A, and b plus c minus A you have learnt in the beginning of this chapter, it is 2 times s minus A, so giving you s minus A only. Proceeding for the fourth bit, b cos square c by 2 plus c cos square b by 2. This is your left hand side. B cos square c by 2 plus c cos square b by 2. Short while ago you have seen the formula, cos square theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta by 2, 1 plus cos c by 2. Cos square b by 2 according to the same formula, 1 plus cos b by 2. As before, I am taking 1 by 2 common here, opening the bracket, b plus b cos c, c plus c cos b. Rearranging, please see, b plus c, this b, this c, and the remaining terms, b cos c plus c cos b. B cos c plus c cos b is A. So this has become A plus b plus c by 2. And you know this is S. I am solving the fifth bit now, please see. B sin square 2c plus c sin square 2b, b square sin 2c, c square sin 2b. This is your left hand side. B square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b. Please see now. 2 sin c cos c, 2 sin b cos b. You are already familiar with this formula, I need not quote once again, yet I want to quote here, please see. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta, and accordingly sin theta will be 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. If we need somewhere, we will be using it. Sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Proceeding. 2b square sin c cos c plus 2c square sin b cos b. 2b square. There is a formula, sin c is equal to 2 delta by ab. You have done this formula in the beginning of this chapter. Sin c 2 delta by ab, 2c square, sin b 2 delta by ca. B is 2b square sin c 2 delta by AB cos c as it is, 2c square sin B is 2 delta by CA cos B as it is. This B will cancel B, leaving A here. So 4 delta by A cos C. Understand? B will cancel B, A will be left in denominator, 2 into 2 4 delta by A cos C. Similarly here 2 into 2 4 delta, C will remain here. Here please see here, this will cancel, C will cancel here. I am proceeding. 4 delta by 4 delta, C remains here, B remains here, please see. A remains here, C remains here, by A cos B. Please see once again. 2b square sin C 2 delta by AB cos C, 2c square sin B 2 delta by CA cos B. Now this is 4 delta, B will cancel, A will remain, B by A cos C. 4 delta, C will cancel, A will remain, C cos B by A, that is. Again 4 delta by A is common. So what remains inside? B cos C plus C cos B. Four delta by A, this is A. So we get 4 delta, that is your right hand side. The formula used in the above question, sin C 2 delta by AB, sin B 2 delta by CA, I want to quote those formulae, please see. This is done in the beginning of this chapter, yet I am quoting. Sin A 2 delta by BC, sin B 2 delta by CA, sin C 2 delta by AB. You may be thinking I can use CK here, BK here, very well I can do, but question requires delta, so I have used delta formula. The reason for changing the formula, otherwise you can write CK here, BK here and proceed, you will eventually get the same result. But to shorten or to save some 2 or 3 steps, I have taken this formula sin C as 2 delta by AB, observing that the right hand side requires delta, I have used delta formula. While solving, you must keep an eye on the right hand side also, what actually we have to arrive at. Therefore, this is 2 delta by BC, 2 delta by CA, 2 delta by AB are used.